Today we will see how to create your profile on eGrowth. We will start with login. So here on the top right, there is a button called login. You go to login. You can log in with your email ID and your password. I mean sign in, or you can use the social media to verify. So I'm using Google to log in. So when I log in, it says, welcome back, Atul Puri. You got 1,330 points. Since my profile is already complete, it is not asking me to complete my profile. Else, it would show you how much percentage of your profile is complete. All right. Here on the top right, you can see, hi, Atul. So this means that you are logged into the system. I click on this. I go to my account. My account takes me to my profile as it is seen by the public. Okay. In another video, I had shown you what all are the components in my profile as it is seen by the public. Today, we will look at how to edit your profile or how to create your profile. So you simply go on the over here, you see an edit icon, the pencil, just click on it. And you go to a section where you can go and create your profile. So to create your profile, you first go to the personal details, select the title. Okay. So as you can see, I've selected Mr. for myself. You key in your first name. So there are multiple options. So Mr., Miss, Mrs., Doctor, all those are there. You can select whichever title is appropriate for you. Then you key in your first name, your middle name if you support one, and your last name. Then you select your gender. The next one is about me. About me is just one sentence about how do you want to be known. So I am saying leverage and simplification expert. And then there is a small description about what you do. Okay. So a description about me, this will be visible to eGrowth members. And this is where you can embed the YouTube link of your personal video profile. So I have keyed in this YouTube link, and on the right hand side you can see the link, the YouTube video is already embedded. And then on my profile there is a section for requirement, so I can key in whatsoever I require at this stage, and I can keep on coming back and changing it whenever I want. And then my offers. So I've said I need contact details of presidents and officers of various associations. And my offer is contact me if you want to make your process simple and you want to create more wealth from existing resources. All right. And next is important dates. So we ask you to key in your date of birth. And then if you want, you can key in your marriage anniversary. It is not compulsory, not one of those compulsory items. Then your mobile number. So you can select the country that you're from. Your mobile number you can key in here. You see on the right hand side there is this link called verify. The moment you click this link called verify, the system will send a message to your mobile number. You can get that OTP and then key that number over here. Okay. So this is how you're able to verify your mobile number. You can also add an additional mobile number. So mobile number to country code and then the mobile number. Your primary email ID you cannot edit. It is already verified, as you can see. If you want to give a secondary email ID, you can give your secondary email ID over here. If you have been referred by somebody to eGrowth, you can key in their email ID. Or if you have joined with a link which somebody had shared with you, that his email ID will be visible over here. Over here, you key in the GST number. So this is your personal GST number, not the GST number of your company. And you use this button to upload the file. Okay, so you can select a file from your PC and upload that over here. This can be an image file or a PDF file. Next is a PAN card. So you can key in your PAN number and upload the PAN image. Once the system has it, from the back end, we will verify it. So as you can see, my PAN card is already verified. TIN number is your director information number. My director number is also here. I have uploaded my certificate of incorporation of the company from where my director information is available. And that is how it gets verified. Okay. So once this is done, okay, one more thing. On the top right, you see my profile image. So I can select an image from my PC and upload that. So if you're on the mobile, you can also pick up a photo from your mobile and upload that over here. So this is how your basic details or the personal details are complete. We move to the next section. Great job, your details have been updated. Okay. So we move to the next section, which is the address. So I key in the work address to the country, state, city, pin code. And this is where the phone number of your office comes. Okay, your direct phone number or your board number. Next are the links to your social media. So LinkedIn profile, Facebook profile, Twitter handle, and Instagram handle. So you will simply go to your profile, pick up the exact URL and paste it over here. And after that, there is a section for your residence address, which is optional. Okay, we move on to the next section now. The next section is education. Within education, the first piece is professional qualification and recognition. So you may have got some recognition, some certificates from somewhere. You can list those over here, or you may be a chartered accountant or maybe a lawyer. So you have a professional qualification. You can list that over here. Okay, or you may have some certificates. So you may be a PMP certified person. So you can list all that here. List here from which organization have you got that certificate. All right. And also upload the image of your certificate and where did you get that certificate from. So country, state, city, and the description of that certificate. And after that, just click add and this will get added to your profile. So as you can see over here, I have added a certificate program. This is from United Technologies Corporation, image of the certificate, city Bangalore. And if I want, I can edit it or I can delete it. All right. Next section is trainings and certificates. I would have participated in multiple trainings or programs and I can list those also over here. So here's the program, specialization, certifying authority, an image of the certificate, country, state, and city where I got it from. So here, let us see what are the images. So I have participated in certificate in competitive marketing from this is the specialization in marketing. The certifying authority is Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore. Image of the certificate. City is Bangalore, and this is it. All right. Next is I can add the details of my college. So the program, specialization, college or department, abbreviation, name of the university, and image of the certificate. All this I can do. And then comes country, state, and city. So here you can see I am a Bachelor of Engineering in Electronics from Datta Mege College of Engineering, Mumbai University, India, Maharashtra, Navi Mumbai. I can edit it. MBA I got from Indira Gandhi National Open University, India, Delhi, New Delhi. All right. I can go further to add details of my school as well. So name of the school. If the name is not there, you can simply go to others and add that. All right. Abbreviation. So city, state, city. All right. So I passed out from Government Senior Secondary School, Banikhet, which is in India, which is in Himachal Pradesh, which is in Dalhousie. All right. So this is how your education details they get captured. And now let us go to the next section, which is the business section. So here we go to the business tab. In business tab, the first piece is if you are self-employed. So you may be a student, you may be an employee, or you may be self-employed. That gets captured here. So headline is what is your specialization. Category is whether you're a full-time employee, part-time employee, work from home, freelancer, contractor, job worker, broker, all those different categories are over here. Okay. Then what is the industrial classification? Which industry do you work in? Okay, all those industries are also here. Then what are the product categories? In case you don't have a product, then you can simply go to, means you may list or you may not list, or you may simply go to other services and list that. All right. And then in the products, you can specify the exact products also which you manufacture. Then you can go to services categories. So financial services, employment and human resource, travel and tourism, all those services can also be listed over here. Okay. Beyond that, you can list the exact services that you offer. And this is how you add it to your profile. So I have added, I am a business development trainer. I am a business development mentor. Then next section is about my company details. I can search for my company, my designation. So this is, there is a twist. I will just come to you in a moment. It may so happen that you don't have the company listed over here. So for that, what you do is you go to the top right. There is a section called Add Company. Okay. When you click here, you have the option of creating a new company. We'll just come back to this in a moment. As of now, let us complete the personal profile. So I go to the business tab. So I go and select my company. So I say EBN Learning. EBN. Okay. So EBN is already there. So I select, say, Plexus Consulting. So this is how this will reflect in my profile now. I will also need to put in my designation over there. Okay. I just go to search company and leave it there. So no company listed over here right now. Okay. Then I go to organizations I am a member of. So organization type. So I may be a member of various organizations. So these could be business networking organizations. These could be NGOs. I could be a member of a college or a cooperative society or a trade body. I can list any of those. All right. And then in those specific categories, suppose I say an NGO. Okay. So I go here and you can see BBN Global is one, Rotary International is here, TIE Delhi NCR is there, Udaipur Chamber is there, Fire Security Association is here, and then there are others. So as of now, these are the organizations which are listed here. We can list others as well. Okay. And in this, I can put my designation, so I may be a member. And if there is a chapter identification, I can put the name of that chapter also over here. So now let us see. I am a member of TIE. So TIE is a charity non-profit organization. I am a member of the Delhi NCR chapter. I'm also a member of the Fire Security Association of India. I'm a member of the CWC Delhi NCR. I am also a member of Rotary International of the Brave Hearts Mumbai. So this is how I complete my profile. Now let us just go to add company and see how you add a company. Okay. So you go to the company place. Okay. Go to basic details. So name of your company will come here, trade name of your company. So for me, EBN Learning is the name of the company. All right, the trade name is eGrowth. Okay, let me just take the example so that you are able to see a complete company here right now. So EBN Learning Private Limited. Sorry. So I go to menu and I go to edit. So this is what a filled profile looks like for a company. Okay, name of the company is EBN Learning Private Limited. Trade name is eGrowth. Website is egrowth.org. I can upload the logo. My designation here is the founder. Nature of business is we are a commercial enterprise for profit entity. Type of company, we are a private limited company. We are for profit. This is our Facebook handle, LinkedIn handle, Twitter handle, and Google My Business page as well. All right. So ROC activities. This is a description of the government of India, and you can very well identify with that. If you see ours, so it can be agriculture, dairy. Which industry are you working in? And you can select multiple industries over here. ROC category. Are you a company limited by shares, limited by guarantee, or if you are a proprietary or a partnership company, it may not be applicable to you. All right. Next comes business sector. So what kind of business sector are you from? Are you from agriculture, mining, manufacturing, or are you a services company? So we are a services company. ROC class, are you a proprietorship, a partnership, private one person? So different categories. So you can select which company category are you from. What is your authorized capital, paid up capital? In case you are a private or a proprietorship or a partnership company, you can put both these figures as 0. Date of registration as is 24/4/2017. Where was we registered? So ROC Delhi is our registration authority. Number of members is 0. Listed in stock exchange, no. Last AGM, so it has taken a default date. So next comes to ROC company type. So whether we're a non-government, government, foreign, or other company. All right. Then ROC activity code. So this you may or may not fill. Are you a business membership organization? In case you are a company which has members, then you please select this as yes. Company status for e-filing, are you active or not? That you can do. And director signatory details. So you can key in the details of various directors over here. All right. Now let us go to, these were the basic details of a company. Next one is the specific details of the company. What products are you into? So in case you are not into products, you are a services company, you just go to other services and you list the various products that you offer. In the service categories, you go and select the services that you offer. Okay, so we've selected 15 of them. Services offered, subscription, events, workshop. What is the annual turnover? So you can define what is the annual turnover up to 50 lakhs, 50 lakhs to 2 crores per annum. So these are this currency is Indian rupees. Okay, brand is eGrowth. Contact details, this is the corporate office. So you may call your office as the corporate office, registered office, head office, whatsoever. So you can select that over here. The address of your office, the country, state, city, pin code, the Google location of your office comes over here. So you simply go to the map, pick up the URL and paste that over here. Okay. You can also put here the company public phone number and the company public email ID also, so that people can reach out to you. Next are the government IDs. So you can your registration ID, PAN card of your company, GST number of your company, FSSAI. So there are 8 different numbers that you can upload over here, and those can be updated. Okay. Now these numbers will not be visible on your profile. Only a tick will be visible that yes, you have these documents. All right. And this is how your company gets verified. Next is the dashboard. This is where you can upload a banner, a headline. So what does your company do? Description, tags. What tags do you want to be searched on? Your mission, your vision, and then purpose of your company, motto of your company, why us, parent company if you have one, then group companies. So you can have multiple group companies, you can have multiple business partners, and you can also have multiple customers. So all this you can put there as part of your company profile. Okay, now let us see how does it look like to the end user. So let us just go to the end user. So this is how your profile looks like to the end user. So since I have logged in and I'm looking at my own profile, it also tells me it is 100% complete. So this is where my name comes. This is one liner about what I do. This is a description of what I do. All right. Here, my subscription is updated by the system, my name, my email ID, my mobile number, city I'm from, my date of birth, my gender. This is where the links to my social profiles are. And then government IDs, if you remember, I had updated my PAN card and TIN number. So those are checked over here. This is my video profile. My opportunities are listed here. So requirement and offer, my business, so my profession is listed. The company that I own is listed. And since I had uploaded my incorporation certificate, the system knows that this is my company, there's a tick over here. Here is my memberships are listed. So TIE, FSAI, Rotary, and I am a member of eGrowth as well. This is where my education, training, and recognition is listed. So my various positions held, training certificates, uh, uh, college, university, school, all of that is listed. And then on the right hand side, there is some information which the system picks, which says how many blogs I have published, how many events I've listed, how many requirements I've posted, how many offers I've posted, number of companies I have, number of memberships I have, and when did I create this profile, and how many connections do I have. All right. So this is about how you complete your personal profile, and let us also see how your company looks like. These are the details. So this is the banner of our company. This is the logo of our company, the name of the company, what the company does, the social media links of the company. All right. Sorry, these are not the social media links of the company. You can share these to these platforms. Okay. This is the wall where we keep on posting our various updates. This is about the company, wherein the details of the company are over there. The corporate office details are there. The address is here. We had put the Google link. So this is how the Google link functions. So this is the exact location of our office. Okay, so this is our office location. This is the Google Maps location of our profile. Okay, and then this is our public email ID, our website. These are our social links. These are government IDs. Our registration ID is updated. Okay, mission, vision, purpose, motto, why us, tags, our brands, business sector, industry classification, products, services, our parent company, group companies, partners, and customers. All that is updated over here. And then there are different tabs. So people is the people on the board. So I being the director of the company is visible over here in the management piece. And then Ronika being an employee of the company, she is visible over here. And then this is where the requirements, products, services, offers, blogs, and events of the company are there. So this is how the profile works. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us. On the bottom right, you've got an option to click the feedback and get back to us. You can always send us a mail, or you can send us call us up, and we'll be glad to support you. Thank you for being on eGrowth. Thanks for considering eGrowth as a partner for your growth.